Welcome back to the channel. So today, another new part for the Element Trailwalker, and this is Element or Team Associated's high clearance links for the Trailwalker or for the Element Enduros in general. So I picked this up to try to get a little bit more ground clearance since, it's not a very tall rig, and hopefully this will make a difference. So we'll go over to the bench, show you the parts, get them installed, and take it out back and see if we notice a difference. I hope you'll stick around for that. All right, guys, so here's the link kit. There's your part number. So we're going to get it opened, and you see it doesn't come with any ends, so we'll have to reuse the ends that are on the truck. So I'll pretty much do it like 1 to 2 links at a time, so I don't mix anything up and match them up properly. So I'm going to get these opened up and start taking some links off. All right, so high clearance links on the bottom. I did not do the ones for up here. Just did that because I don't see the need for doing those there. As you can see looking down, link, you have more clearance, does leave the drive shaft a little open there. Same thing in the front. We'll see if that becomes a problem. So let's take it out back and see if we notice any difference sliding around on the rocks.
see if I can keep this from falling off. Uh-oh. Don't want it to fall. I'm going to use DSM.
So you have it, the high clearance links on the Trailwalker. What do you think? Me personally, I see the difference in minor little things. I can see there is a little bit more clearance, and I will tell you, the biggest gain for me, it's going to sound silly, but when I have it on my elevated workstation to work on it, with the high clearance links, it doesn't slide side to side. It actually sits more stable on it, and for that reason, it's worth it right there for me. So I do think that's going to probably tie up most of my mods for the Trailwalker at this point. Not going to say it completely does. There's could be something else that comes along, but right now, I think I'm pretty content with it. So I hope you like what you see today, guys. If you do, please like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time.